She tried to leave town the next day, but her car wouldn't start. The mechanic said her engine was filled with paper, torn pages jammed into the pistons. The police didn't believe her story. They told her to get some rest. That night, every book in her house opened on its own. Pages flapping, whispers in every corner. Nibs fled into the walls and never came out. Amelia finally understood. Miss Harrow wasn't a ghost. She was a keeper of something older than death, a guardian of stories that weren't meant to be read, cursed texts that didn't end when you closed the cover. And she'd chosen Amelia, chosen her to be the next librarian, to carry the bell, to manage the ledger, to haunt the stacks. Amelia fought it, burned the books, smashed the bell, but fire didn't work. Steel didn't shatter it, and the library was always there, in dreams, in mirrors, in moments when she blinked and reality slipped. Then one day, she disappeared, just like Miss Harrow. Now, they say the library is open again, but only at night, only if you're alone. Sometimes the door is cracked open and a dim light spills out across the floor like candle wax. And behind the desk stands a new woman. Her name tag reads, Miss Price. She smiles with lips that never quite close over her teeth.